Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to install Ubuntu 22.04, the latest version of Ubuntu to VirtualBox. So we have to download VirtualBox. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to skip this part. You can download it by going to virtualbox.org and selecting your respective OS. Now we're going to start the VirtualBox. So I'm going to click on the My VirtualBox. As you can see, we have already downloaded Windows 11 VirtualBox. You're going to find this area empty, so don't worry about it. Now click on New button. Now we have to give a name to our VirtualBox. I'm going to name it as my roll number underscore Ubuntu underscore 2204. Now we have to select an ISO. Click on Other button. Select Ubuntu 22.04.1 ISO. Click on Open. I have already downloaded this ISO. If you want to download it, you can download it by going on this site. You can download it under Ubuntu 22.04.1 LTS and click on download. Now click on next button. Here you can set your username, password and hostname. I'm going to set the username as my name. The default password is change me. You can change it, but remember this password as you're going to need it afterwards. Now the host name is giving some errors because of this special character, so I'm going to remove it and keep the host name as Ubuntu 2204. Now I'm going to click next. Here you can set the base memory and number of processors according to your requirements. I'm going to set it like this according to my hardware requirements. And click on next button. Here you can set the disk size. The default one is 25 GB. I'm going to keep it like this only. I'm going to click next button. Now the VirtualBox has set its variables. So I'm going to click on finish. Now we can start the VirtualBox. It has started. Now press enter. It will take 1-2 minutes. As you can see, now the Ubuntu is verifying the installation configuration. It will take around 1 minute. Now we have to set a username and password for Ubuntu. But first I'm going to change this login automatically. As you can see, it is giving error in our username. The username should start with a lowercase letter. I'm going to type this name again. Now it accepts it. I'm going to create a password and going to confirm it. Now click on continue. Now the Ubuntu is copying files and retrieving them. It's going to take a lot of time, around 8 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it's done and the Ubuntu is booting. So it's done. Now we have to, you can choose an online account. We're going to skip this part. Click on next, click on next, and we are done now. So now we have to change the resolution. Go to View tab and click on Auto Resize Guest Display. You can see it didn't work. So now we'll go on Device tab and click on Insert Guest Editions. As you can see, we have a VBox Guest Editions. Now we have an autorun.sh subshell. We have to run it. Now we have to give the password. It's the same password. Change me. I guess I made some mistake. I'm going to type it again. Yeah, it accepted it. So it's installing the guest editions. Press enter. So now we are done. Let's try again. You can see it's done. Now we are going to do one more thing from my side. So this thing will be very useful to the users. Click on Machine tab and click on Settings. Go to Advanced Settings and change these both options to bidirectional. Now it will help you to drag and drop things from the host to the virtual machine. So now everything is set. You can do whatever you want. You can create files, browse, anything you want. So I'm going to end the tutorial now. Thank you everyone.